Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out some Pinterest-inspired natural cleaning hacks. I've seen different people and YouTubers use these methods before and I've always been curious to try, so I thought I'd record a video for you. I guess this could fall under the category of a monthly cleaning routine, and I definitely don't do these every month, but I probably should, so you gotta start somewhere. I hope y'all enjoy the video, and if you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Jess, because Jessica's a little bit too much. Subscribe to my channel if you do like videos like this, and don't forget to share my videos. And for my returning subscribers, don't forget to click that thumbs up button and also share my videos with anyone that you think would enjoy them. And it doesn't have to be this video, it can be any one of my videos that you choose. Just make sure you guys are sharing, because I'm really trying to grow my channel and put myself out there, so the more the merrier. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and now let's get started. I'm just giving you guys a quick overview of everything that I used in this video, and I will of course list everything in the description for you all, but here's just a close-up look of what I used, and everything I got was from the Dollar Tree except for the vinegar that we buy in bulk, and this little squirt bottle came from Sally's. So as you guys can see, I chose some seriously neglected areas of my home to clean up today, and I'm not gonna lie, this was not an easy task and it took a lot of elbow grease and determination, but at the end of the day, I'm super satisfied with my results, so I think it's totally worth it in the end. Starting in the kitchen, I'm gonna first mix my peroxide and baking soda together, and I didn't use a measuring technique for this. I just kind of poured until I got to the consistency that I wanted, and I suggest you guys do the same. The consistency is runny, but it does dry down pretty solid, and I wanted to point out that the peroxide did such a great job at pushing everything out to the surface, making it so easy to clean. I have not cleaned these window tracks since we moved in 8 to 9 months ago, and this was definitely a difficult task. I started by just spraying some vinegar water in the track just to give it an initial wipe and make things less messy, and then I went ahead in with the solution, and you guys will see this worked so beautifully. I'm so impressed with this. I will definitely be using this again, just under normal circumstances so I don't have to scrub as much, but look at that, you guys, just bubbling everything up and making it super easy for me to wipe, and that's exactly what you want. Back into the kitchen now. I'm just going to scrub away what I let sit, and I wanted you guys to see how it dries down. It dries down pretty solid, very easy to clean, and comes out really shiny. Moving on to our AC vent now, I'm just using that scrub brush to get off some of that built up dust that's been sitting on there, and yes, it's falling on the floor, but I will take care of that. I just quickly wiped everything down and got as much dust off as possible, changed out the filter, and that was that. So the vinegar in the bag over the shower head was probably the one that I was most excited about, because I thought it was going to have some type of magical bubbling fizzing reaction, but it didn't, and that's fine. It still did a good job at cleaning, and I was still pretty satisfied. Now this grout took me so long to clean. I'm in love with my end result. The solution did a great job, but the elbow grease and the time that it took, never again. I suggest you guys clean your grout at least once a month to avoid this. Put that bag of vinegar right into your drain. The mixture of the baking soda will just clean it up really nice for you guys. And look at that result. Oh my gosh. You guys, I was so pleased with this. If you remember the before, it was like yellowish, pink, weird colored. And now it's just clean and white. Not as clean as brand new grout, but definitely good enough. And I'm gonna stop talking now and let you guys enjoy the rest of the end shots. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye.